Hi. Good, how are you? I'm gonna share something. You pick, you gotta pick the flavor because I don't know what you want. Do you want matcha? This is so good. So good, so good. And refreshing. And filling.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm coming back to.
Yeah. Oh, coffee. You guys have to try this place, Ice Monster, if you haven't already tried it. We actually love this place. We've been to this place a lot. It's on Kuhio Avenue. You got Duke's Marketplace on there, Duke's Lane, Starbucks over here, and Jamba Juice on the corner over there. This is Seaside. That's Seaside over there, and Kuhio Avenue right here. 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Oh. Yeah. Yep. Check out this place, Ice Monster. Highly recommend it. So good. So good. Yeah.